This is a complete beginner guide to DoorDash delivery drivers. So first thing that you need to do is install this particular application on your phone, which is called DoorDash Dasher. So after installing this application, simply open it. And after opening it, here if you do have your regular DoorDasher account, here you can simply continue with that, or you can tap on use another account and sign up for your account. Since I do have my account, I'm going to continue as my DoorDash account. So after doing that, here you will be logged into your account, but there will be few requirements that you would need to fulfill. So in here, there will be the requirement of adding down your first legal name, your middle legal name. If you don't have that, you can select no middle name, and your last legal name. So in here, you'll need to select your country code and write down your zip code. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on continue. Then DoorDash will actually ask you with the further documentation, which will further lead you to the eligibility of DoorDash driver. So simply fill up all of these documentations, and then you need to fill up all of the required informations too. And what you can do is tap on continue, and you can submit all of the information to DoorDash. If you are eligible, they will successfully add you as a DoorDash driver. So then from here, what you can do is simply cater orders, drive orders, and make people happy through DoorDash. And yeah, that's it.